Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Quiero, baby. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil.
So today we're on Camposol D. We're looking at a Neptuno Ruby, which is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property. Look at that, straight in. You got your loads of lemons there. I can't believe it, how many lemons. Anyway, swimming pool, lovely. What I'm going to do first, guys, is take you around the outside. Now, I'll be honest, I haven't looked around this property yet, so this is going to be just a surprise for me, is for you. But lovely pool. You got, I can see already, you got lights in there as well, so at night time this pool will be lit up. You got steps to walk down into it. Very nice. You got off-road parking just here with the gates. Plenty of room here for a couple cars. Another view looking back at the pool. Now I know it's well gone 11, it's not 12 o'clock yet, but you can see where that sun is at the moment. Now don't forget, this is late November. So you got a nice shower, outdoor shower there, very posh. Looks like you got like a control room there for the swimming pool. You got the front terrace there. So we're going to go around the garden, like I said, and we'll just see what it's got to offer us. So you've got a bit of shade, which is nice. You always need a bit of shade, guys, especially in the summer, because it can get really hot here in Spain. So going down to another outdoor dining area. Just take you around on that. Another view back up to the front again. We go down further. So you've got another rear part of the garden, which is nice. Lots of shaded areas. You got, just as I've seen it, you got a couple barbecue bits. You got one there. You got the big one there. So obviously they like to do a lot of partying. You got another area here. This is probably could have been a bar, outdoor bar, maybe. So you got the jacuzzi, outdoor bath. I mean, what better, eh? And it's covered as well. Very nice. So you got another. Looks like obviously like a guest area. So now you can see it. Now you can see the bar. So you walk straight in. You've got your lounge area. It's nicely done out. You've got a kitchen here. Now I haven't put no lights on, guys. Got a bathroom, shower. I mean, this could obviously be used for renting out. Put your granny in here. I can see quite a few things that you could do, really. Obviously you've got family. Sometimes family, you know, especially if you've got grandkids, a lot to be by themselves. What better? Got a nice big bedroom. Wardrobe there built in. Very nice, I must say. I wasn't expecting this, that's for sure. You got an aircon machine just over there. You got a fire thing there. You got your few. I mean, It's very nice, I must say. You got the dining area just here. So yeah, you could rent this out. It's got Wi-Fi on the window there as well. So, okay, even before I go in the house, I found something else outside, another hidden gem. So this is the steps that go to the back door of the kitchen, but you've got like a sort of a balcony, and obviously another seating area. I mean, look at that. What a view, looking down the road to the mountains. Yeah. Wow. I could just sit here now, but I can't. What I will do, I will take you up onto the roof in a moment, but I thought I'd better get you into the house, because you want to see the house, don't you guys? So we just come from the outdoor balcony, and we're going into the front terrace now at long last. So just to remind you, there's the swimming pool. Now we're going inside the house at long last, but obviously coming up to the terrace bit first. So we're probably talking near on midday sun now. Temperatures today here in Spain are 19, which doesn't seem a lot, but I can tell you what, don't forget that's in the shade. It's a bit windy today, I must say, but look at that sky, just lovely blue. Anyway, let's get on with it. Let's get in this house. Everybody's waiting. So as you come in with the Neptunos, you got your wardrobe here. Most people use their coats and hoovers and things like that. So we come, Neptunos have got lovely big rooms. So you got your big lounge. You got your open fireplace. You've got a big ceiling fan there. You've got a heater over there. You've got your telly. So what I'll do, I'll just take you around the lounge a bit first. Just gives you some idea. It's difficult to show you the size on a camera, but hopefully it gives you some idea. So we just walk through there. Here's your dining room area. So have a look at the dining room area next. You've got an aircon machine up at the top there. Now, with all my videos, I don't put no lights on, guys. What you're seeing is just natural light. I mean, that's a nice touch, I must say. I'm just giving another view back into the lounge. So into the kitchen. Nice big kitchen with the Neptunos. You got your washing machine, you got your dishwasher, your fridge freezer, you got your oven. What more do you want in the kitchen? You've got loads of space there. You've got a window, so when you're doing your washing up, looking out the mountains there, very nice. Here's the back door. Just give you another view. So we're going to go into the bedrooms now. So we go into the spare or the guest bedroom. We'll go into the bathroom first. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a glass panel just there. It's a lovely walk-in shower here. Bathrooms have been done out, very nice, I must say. View out the window, looking up the road. You've got a nice shower unit, I must say. I've got something very similar to that. You got one of those touch mirrors. I'm not going to touch it this time. So we're going to go into the guest bedroom or spare bedroom. As you can see, plenty of storage space. You've got two big built-in wardrobes. Double bed here, which could have obviously single beds here if you wanted to. Aircon machine. You've got the ceiling fan above your head. You've got a view out the window. Let's have what view we got. It's the back garden with a jacuzzi. So we're now going to go into the ensuite, or the master bedroom. Very nice. As you can see, aircon, fan, window looking out on the pool, no doubt. You've got electric points. You can see already it's a double size. Looks like a king size bed to me, but probably a double size. You've got more electric points down there. If you look out the window, you've got the pool over there. Very nice. And what I love about these Neptunos, you've got this sort of walk through corridor for storage as well. So you've got plenty of storage, built-in wardrobes. Come into the bathroom at the rear. Another very similar bathroom as the other one. You've got walk-in shower unit there. Nice modern toilet. Another view looking up the road. Another view looking back into the master bedroom. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you outside again to take up onto the sunroof. So I'm at the back door now. This is where the kitchen is. So you come back out onto that balcony again. We've got that lovely view looking at the mountains there. Very nice. Anyway, upstairs. So up onto the sunroof. I think you can see there's a good reason why it's called a sunroof, because the sun just right above my head, just up there. And what I'm going to do is just going to check. So it's 10 past 12 now, near on. You've got a satellite dish over there. Most people now are using this Fire Stick stuff now. You've got a storage unit there, which is pretty good because obviously you can put all your chairs and tables in there. That contraption there under the washing line. There we are. So this is your Wi-Fi pickup. You can also have, don't forget guys, you can also have fast broadband here as well, cable. So you've got another view looking from that balcony, don't remember, of the mountains there. And you got loads of places to walk, I must say. So anyway, let's go downstairs again. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. I must say it's a long one, wasn't it? It was a Neptuno Ruby. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property. As you saw downstairs, separate apartment. Could be used for many things, you know, from renting out, granny flat sort of thing. Keep the grandkids that come over who want their own privacy. Rear garden. You can see it's you've got the jacuzzi for one. You've got the bar. You've got the eating area, I should say, for partying, I would imagine. But it doesn't have to be for that, obviously. You had the balcony with a view of the mountains. And then the actual, at the front of the property, you've got the swimming pool. Guys, so much to offer. You know, I hope you enjoyed that video. I mean, I'll be honest, it's one of my best I think I've been around so far with what it has to offer, especially. So, as always, guys, I try and keep these as short as I can, but it's not always possible, unfortunately. But if you check out my playlist under Camposol, it's got everything on there about Camposol itself, what it has to offer, about the amenities, the services, trips out, places to explore. Not forgetting the 2 airports. I'll show you how to get to the airports as well. It's all there. Now, end of the day, don't contact me, guys. Contact Camposol Property Sales, and they can give you all the information. I'll put it just over there. Who to contact, who ring up, and I always recommend book a viewing, have a look around, ask them everything you want to know, and they'll be happy to help you. So, as always, I'm really enjoying these going out now doing property videos. This one, wow, had so much to offer. Anyway, as always, hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you in another video very soon.